The Epigone helicopter. We used the DJI Mini 2 drone for flight and duct taped it all together. But you know what? It worked.
To convert a commercial camper van to a smart environment, efficient and comfortable for living and working. Built around a couple of Raspberry Pis, the core module is the van network. The Raspberry Pi router is also equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen showing the control panel.
An actual robot arm I can wear on a backpack, only a couple of minutes training. The arm actually does what it's supposed to do.
Our platform runs on Raspberry Pi and is open source. Plug-and-play container farms for home and small business use. We're on a mission to decentralize the agricultural industry by making the future of farming accessible in every neighborhood. We've learned a lot in that time.
He is now a 5 Degrees of Freedom robot. I'm gonna do some stuff with it.
These are the dimensions of the robot. And here it is, the robot itself. Droid is a package delivery robot. It features a compartment for deliveries, 6 wheels, and a live camera.
And this is the whole ball launcher for my dog.
Thank you.